You will love the features of this 2009 Mercury Milan. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Be comfortable and enjoy the ride in this spacious, sprightly Mercury Milan. Smooth, efficient, and engaging, this well-rounded, family-oriented automobile offers the features and performance you've been looking for. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, power driver seat, alarm, auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Feel relaxed and ready for your day in this well-appointed Milan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.